Next, I want to introduce a relatively new company to the business. How many hundred and what?
It's a couple of years older than I am, that's for sure. Yeah, yeah. 90,
Not
93. Yeah.
only 92.
In 2027, it'll be 100 years.
Wow.
Yeah.
And you keep innovating, you keep coming up with new products. So Brian Eustace, with help from Nancy Murray, are going to tell us about their new lights.
Yes. Hello, good afternoon. My name is Brian Eustace. I'm the engineer at Mole. And I'm going to share with you some of our new products today. Some of them may look familiar because we tried to draw from our past history with the new stuff. And I'm going to start with this, we call this a very soft panel. And what this is really the old zip light, soft light. And we've incorporated some of the old technology into this light. The light actually bounces inside, which most, I'm going to turn it down here for you. So you get the same benefits of the old zip light because it's bounce technology. It gives a nice wraparound look, and one of the benefits is now you can change color with it. You can go 27 to 65. And so it's sort of a good combination of mixing the old with the new. You get all the advantages of new LEDs with the old technology, and you got a very nice package in terms of the controls, the DMX, the lumen radio, plus minus green, and even the output is actually higher is higher than the old one. The old one was 2,000 watts, this particular size. This particular one here is 400 watts, so you don't have to do a lot of the heat issues and that type of thing. So out of all the products we make, actually, this one is a great combination of a good example of mixing the old and the new technologies together and marrying them together. So there is a lot of history in this, and we've tried to carry some of that along with the design of the product. So that's been out for the last year, and so you go. Space light. We've been making space lights for a long time. This is a variable color space light as well. And this is actually our second generation space light that was variable color. The first one was sort of an analog style. This one now has all the embedded software where you can do the same, has the same controls as this, plus minus green, 27 to 65, DMX, dimming. And I'm going to show you a feature here. So you can use it hang like a normal space light, or you can obviously use it more like a SkyPan, a 2K SkyPan. And it's got a couple of features on here, depending which motion you're using it. So here, if you're using it like this, it's great, but the screen actually flips upside down. So when you're using it up like this, you have to have the screen in a certain orientation. But then when you put it up and you're hanging it, you can flip the screen around. So it's very convenient, depending on which way you're using it. Again, it's all software. We update the software yearly, typically, with new features and that type of thing. And again, it's a good marry of the old and new technology and giving you more flexibility in the product itself. We've tried to build a product as tough as we can, so that depending on the environments it's been used in, studio, rentals, and all rental companies. So we've tried to keep those features in the product so that it's sturdy. It can take heavy handling. This is the 2K. We have a bigger one, a 6K, which has 4 burners on it. And anything on those we're missing?
No, you mentioned the Bluetooth. We can run it with the 10K.
Yeah, we have. So there's. I'll go through all the systems on these. So there's DMX, lumen radio, Bluetooth, where we have our own app. You can control it with your own app. There's, I said DMX. What, anything else missing? Oh, RDM. RDM is built into it as well. So there's a lot. All these new LED technology has a lot of different systems built into it. So when you buy a light, you're buying many systems in one, and depending on which way you're going to use it. So 10K. Yeah, let's do 10K. So this is our 10K fixture. Again, variable color. Maybe let's put it on 56. So it should- Okay. So 27 to 6500, 10K tungsten equivalent. It's using 1600 watts. So it'll run off a standard house plug, 110 to 220. Everything is self-contained. It has the ballast. Everything is built inside the light. There's no the only thing external is one cable. So from a performance point of view, it would be it's comparable to a 10K tungsten. Okay, not a 10K HMI obviously, but you do have the benefits of, again, adjusting the color. You can dim it to 2%, 3%, whatever you want. It has all the same. All these lights have the same system. Which the good news is, we make a full range of lights, and if you want to operate them all together, they will all function together very much in the same DMX and the same system. So everything has the same platform. So if you have multiple lights and multiple different types of product on an installation, everything is going to be work together seamlessly. Yeah. Also, we don't have it here today. We actually have a 20K light. It is in variable color. It's fixed color. We just didn't have room to take it today, but I think when we're at NAB, if there is an NAB, but definitely at Cinegear, it'll definitely be at Cinegear. I can guarantee you that. Anyone any questions on any lights? Or? The power on the 20K is 3,000 watts, and what we do on that one, so that it runs off house power, we use two. You can use two 110 cables going into it. Okay. So you can run it off house power. So that's what, if that's the way you want to run it. But it's 3,000 watts. Yeah. And everything on that one too is self-contained, built in. There's no external ballast or anything like that. So we really try to keeping everything built into the light, that you don't have to attach a power supply and tie it or strap it or something like that. We just build everything in. So. Anything else? Any other question? The 20K weighs just about 100 pounds. I know this one here is about 70 pounds here. So, there you go. All right. Thank you.